It may be possible that when you open a drawing, you notice that the tabs and ribbons are missing. Even if you try to open a new drawing, you can't find them on your AutoCAD window. In an existing file also, these window elements are missing. To get the ribbon and tabs back, the trick is really simple. All you have to do is type ribbon on command line and hit spacebar, and instantly your tabs and ribbon appear. And in other drawings also, you can check the ribbon and tabs are there. Let's explore it a little more. Notice there is an arrow at the top towards right side of the tabs that says minimize to panel buttons. If you click it once, the panels on the ribbon minimizes to buttons. And you click it again, it further minimizes the panel buttons to panel names. And if you click it again, it collapses completely. And you can notice you are having a bigger drawing area if you minimize these panels, which has its own advantages in certain situations when you want bigger drawing area. And once you click it again, it will bring back the tabs and ribbon. If you click this button, you can see that the cycle through all is selected. That is why it is cycling through these modes, and this is very helpful while working on bigger projects when you need more drawing space.